murtubak. Wonder who's gonna be better. Can you cook?
Well, I can.
I see the doubt in his eyes. No.
Crispy on the outside, murtubak is a fried flatbread, filled with different types of fillings and served with a generous portion. Sorry. Crispy on the outside, murtubak is a fried flatbread. Okay, sorry. Crispy on the outside, murtubak is a fried flatbread, filled with different types of fillings and served with a generous portion of curry. Singaporeans normally have this for breakfast, but in my opinion, it's an any time of day kind of dish.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready to get your hand dirty, Simon? I got a feeling it's going to get pretty messy.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Alright, here's the murtubak we just made. Simon's Milo dinosaur.
Non-spicy.
Mine lemon iced tea, veggie murtubak.
Spicy pepper.
He's keen. He's keen. All the sauces.
So this is a cucumber and sweet chili kind of sauce. It's hot.
The hats that the murtubak shop presented us with. The shop has been around since 1910. That's a while, man. How long is that? Can you math that?
10. 109 years.
Wow. That was actually pretty simple math, so.
Yeah. Oh, just a tad.
Now we're here in Haji Lane and we're still filming with these cute shops with these really cute balconies and clothes and funny cafe names. What's your favourite one so far?
Oh, I forgot.
The drunk balloon?
Oh, yeah,
drunk balloon or floaty pop or something?
Floaty pop, drunk balloon. Turns out they're like clothing stores.
When you find a fan, you stick with it.